How to recover your Dave app account after losing your phone. Recovering your Dave app account after losing your phone involves re-authenticating your identity, preferably by restoring your phone number on a new device or using your email address to log in. So what here you need to do is basically, first thing first, you could go ahead and use it with your browser version as well or install the app. And here you just want to make sure to tap on join now or login. Now, if your phone was stolen, immediately you can contact your mobile carrier to suspend service, and if possible, you can contact Dave support at a toll-free number to lock your account and prevent unauthorized transactions as well. Now, once you've done that, you could also open up the Dave app on your new device. You could go to login with password, and underneath you could simply go ahead and enter the email address associated with your account and tap on need help or use another way to log in. Then you could choose to send a one-time link to your email or use email address instead to bypass the text code. Then you could check your email, follow the on-screen instructions to log into your and update your profile settings. This way you should be able to recover your Dave app account after losing your phone. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.